is there an easy way to determine when an exam is flagged by a specific PGA so we can know exactly who to contact and what documents to provide?
Usually, especially if it's a PGA that we transmit through ACE, because we do still do some on like Fish and Wildlife, for instance. Fish and Wildlife is one that we don't currently report through ACE. We actually go onto Fish and Wildlife's website. I think they're working on the pilot for that, but it's not released yet, as far as I know. We would actually be in contact with them before it's even flagged. USDA or FDA, we will submit that information through ACE, and we will get a message back in our system telling us if more information is required. And usually your broker takes care of that. So if you've got an FDA line that says, hey, hold this intact, your broker needs to go onto what's called ITACS, which is basically FDA's website online, and enter information, tell them what entry number it's regarding, upload documents, and then wait for FDA's instruction from there.
Thank you.